So today what we're doing is we're talking about the change of routine and the sort of challenges that you have when you are now finding yourself working at home.
Yes, or have the kids at home.
Even worse.
Yes,
But I mean,
that's for a whole other episode. Yeah, go.
I do joke, but I know it's actually, I mean, there's some lovely things about having everybody at home too, but my golly, can you very quickly start living on top of one another?
Yes.
And things can get out of control very quickly. We've just had a little taste of that in our house, and it really shifted my thinking to, well, what can I do to put some structure in place to make it a little easier for us not ending up with things everywhere. So, Anita, top tips.
Okay, I want you to get everything off the floor and use a shelving system.
Totally agree.
I did it in my own home on Saturday. I had to reevaluate my space. So things that were not as important now in this current situation, like memories, photos, notebooks, that kind of stuff, I stored up in a bulkhead in a cupboard, and I had to reutilize my shelving for some pantry stuff. I mean, the point is, I am at home more often now, and I am buying a little more. You know, I am buying extra things, and I need a place to house it because otherwise it was all over my lounge room floor.
And that just won't work, will it?
No, and also having the kids at home. You might be using extra craft items. You might be needing your books, referencing. People who are working from home are now bringing more things at home. So instead of bringing that
Where
box
do you put
of
the
stuff,
printer that you
Correct.
just had to go out and buy?
Oh, I've got a trick for that. With a system like this, you can change the shelves to whatever height you need.
So this is the Howard's Easy Build system. It's one of our all-time favourites. My Easy Build in my home, I've now reconfigured about 3 or 4 times.
From laundry to pantry to just normal stock shelving
your
to
home office.
garage to home. I mean, it really can go anywhere in your home.
in your bedroom, etc. as well. So there's the secret to this. It's really good high quality shelving that can be completely repurposed.
And most importantly, to control the clutter, you've got to get it off the floor, you categorise it beautifully and label on something like this, everything will be calm and organised.
So if you've got multiple kids at home, one of the tricks is then having some totes with their name on it,
Yes.
creating their sense of space.
Correct. And if you give them a sense of space, you let them take care of their space, which is a life skill we really need to teach our kids right now.
Yes. I think with younger children, it's particularly effective to use like a tote behind you.
These are super funky as well. I really like these.
Then the other consideration is, what about people who are perhaps doing 1 week in the office and 1 week at home?
Yes.
We're seeing a lot of that going on at the moment. So there's some strategies there for containing the files that you use all the time to some sort of a box, preferably something that's portable with a lid, so that you're not recreating your system between the two places all the time.
Yeah.
A couple of good things about the Easy Build as well is that it's available in chrome in a whole load of different kits and components, but it's also now available in white and black. So it suits a variety of different rooms.